Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser on Windows 11. If you recently installed Chrome, but it's not opening links automatically, this video will help you fix that easily. First, right-click on the Start icon in your taskbar. Next, click on Settings from the list that appears. Once the Settings window opens, click on Apps from the sidebar on the left. Then, choose Default Apps from the options. Now scroll down the list or use the search bar at the top to find Google Chrome. Click on it to open the settings for Chrome. You'll see an option that says Set Default. Click on it. This will make Chrome your default web browser. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.